Okay, so I'm just insulating between the floors here, and this customer's got a number of downlights here in the ceiling, and so I'm going to pull those down. They're going to replace those with a normal fixture, so then that way they don't lose their sound benefit. So I'll just show you how we go about pulling those down, like that one over there. Now, up here we've got the bulb there, so just unscrew the bulb for starters. Alright, put that in my pocket. And I don't know, can you see that little clip there? Right? So that little clip comes down, right, first, and then you get a flat bladed screwdriver in behind it once you've pulled it down and pop it this way. So yeah, that made that look very difficult. And this one on the other side then, right? Just pull that down first and then it comes out, see? So that one came out easy, and then the whole downlight comes out of the ceiling. Now, this is one of the older style lights. It doesn't have a transformer on it. Of course, I've disconnected the power before I do that. That's why the light was off. And so now we'll just put a little bit of polyester back in the hole while we pump, right? And what we'll do is the end of the roof here is open outside underneath the house, and so we'll pump through with a long pipe all the way through to the other end, and then they'll put their new light fixtures in and we're all done, and that'll help stop all the sound coming through from upstairs into their downstairs area.